There is a natural wisdom so near we often miss it. Connecting to the present moment, to the body and to the elements. It doesn't have to be more complicated than that, really. Natural mysticism. It sounds so esoteric, but it's our lived experience, really. And it can be an antidote. Life can be very overwhelming. Life itself, thoughts, work, demands, even existential anxieties like impermanence, uncontrollability, uncertainty. So what I do, I notice contact. Just with the water as I shower in the morning, being aware of the flowing nature of the water. Grateful that I even have clean water to wash myself with, to cook my porridge with, to cook my eggs with, to make tea. I open my awareness to the element of fire as I heat the porridge, cook the eggs, the tea. I watch the sun on the grass, on the ferns. Grateful for the sun and the element of fire. I'm aware. I'm aware of the floor under my feet, the earth under my feet as I walk around the kitchen or the garden or the porch. It's solid nature supporting my body, much like the bones in my body, being like a womb to the little seedlings, the vegetables that we are growing, a womb to the oats and the grains that feed my body, the fruits and the vegetables, this berry and that apple. I'm grateful to the earth. Then I open my attention to the breath as it rises and falls, expanding, contracting, sensation in the nostrils, the chest, the abdomen. I listen to the sound of the wind in the trees. I listen. I hear the rising and falling. I see the butterflies, the ferns whispering in the wind. Grateful for wind and the element of air, making contact with that. It's a simple practice, really, to connect to the wisdom of the body and the wisdom of the elements. The elements are eternal. And the body is always in the here and now.